Tired of scrolling through endless hotel listings that don't match your vibe? You know the feeling. You're looking for a relaxing resort with a pool, but you keep seeing hostels and budget motels. Let's fix that. In under a minute, I am going to show you exactly how to filter by property type on Expedia, so you only see what you actually want. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through every single click, from the home page all the way to that filter menu. No guesswork, no wasted time. Just a simple, direct path to finding your ideal stay. Alright, let's start by opening your browser and heading over to Expedia.com. That is our starting point. Nothing fancy here, just the main page where all the magic begins. Once you are on the home page, look up at the top of the screen in the main navigation menu. You will see a few tabs. Go ahead and click on the one that says Stays. That tells Expedia you are specifically looking for a place to sleep, not a flight or a car. Now we get into the good stuff. This is where you tell Expedia exactly what you want. Enter your destination, so if you are heading to Cancun, type that in. Then choose your travel dates from the calendar. And finally, set the number of guests. This step is really important because if you put in the wrong number of people for a villa, you might miss the perfect option. Take your time here. Once you have all that filled out, click the big blue search button. The page will reload and show you all the available options for your trip. This might take a moment to process. Now here's where our filter comes into play. On the results page, look for a section labeled Filters or a button that says All Filters. It is usually on the left-hand side of the screen or near the top of the list. Click that. And here is the really important part. Underneath the standard amenities and price range options, you will see a heading that says Property Type. This is your golden ticket. Click on that section to expand it. Now you will see a list of all the different kinds of places you can stay. Things like hotel, resort, apartment, villa, bed and breakfast, and more. This is the step where you take control. If you want a resort with daily activities, check the box next to resort. If you want a private house for your family, check villa. You can even select multiple types if you are open to a few different options. The website updates the numbers next to each type in real time, so you know exactly how many results you will get. Go ahead and make your choice. I am going to click Resort for this example. Now look at your results. The entire page has changed. All those irrelevant budget hotels and random apartments are gone. You are now looking at a curated list of exactly the kind of property you want. It is a total game changer, right? So now that you have your perfect list, the last step is easy. Just click on any property that catches your eye. This will take you to its full page with photos, reviews, and pricing where you can book your stay, and that is it. You went from aimlessly browsing through hundreds of random listings to instantly seeing only the places that match your vacation style. I have walked through this process countless times on Expedia, and using these filters is honestly the quickest way to save your sanity. Give it a try on your next trip, and happy travels.